In this quick video, I will show you how to transfer EVMOS into EVMOS Network step by step. So before we proceed, I just want to give you a heads up that I will not be able to transfer EVMOS into EVMOS Network directly because the only cross-chain site that can transfer EVMOS from another chain to EVMOS Network is the Nomad Bridge. So unfortunately, you will gonna need to go through a KYC process in order to bridge your EVMOS token. And the only document or ID that they support is a passport. But I don't have a passport, so I will not be able to verify myself. So if you have a passport, you can go to app.nomad.xyz and click CoinList Verify. So you will gonna need to fill all this information in order to verify yourself. But I have an alternative to transfer your EVMOS token from another chain into the EVMOS network. So let's go to MetaMask here and click portfolio site. So make sure that you are using Ethereum network. Click portfolio site. Then on the left side here, click swap. And you're gonna need to swap your EVMOS into USDT or USDC. Click here, type down EVMOS. Click here and then type down USDC, or if you want, you can choose USDT. And then you can type the amount of EVMOS you want to swap, but make sure that you have enough Ethereum in your MetaMask wallet because you will gonna need it to pay for the gas fee. Now once you have USDC in your MetaMask wallet, go to cbridge.seller.network and then choose Ethereum mainnet as your source. And below here, click here and type down EVMOS. Click EVMOS. And now you can swap your USDC into seller USDC. So if you want, you can type the amount of USDC you want to swap. For example, I want to swap the maximum amount. And as you can see, I will receive this amount of seller USDC. And you can see here the bridge rate, which is 1:1. So 1 USDC on Ethereum is equivalent to 1 seller USDC on EVMOS. And we have here a fee. So make sure that the amount of USDC you want to transfer is greater than 20 USDC, or else it will not work. And once you have seller USDC in your EVMOS, go to app.evmoswap.org here, and then click here, click seller USDC, and then click here, click EVMOS. So before we proceed, let me connect my wallet first. Click MetaMask and click EVMOS. So you're gonna need to change your network into EVMOS. And then you can now type the amount of seller USDC you want to swap. For example, I want to swap 50 USDC, and then you would receive this amount of EVMOS. So make sure that you also have enough EVMOS token in your MetaMask wallet because you will gonna need it to pay for the gas fee. And we're done. If you have any questions about how to transfer EVMOS into EVMOS network, leave a comment below.